Have no fear, Game of Thrones fans, spring is coming. And, with it, new episodes of television's most popular cable show are also coming. Finally, HBO has confirmed that the final 6 installments of Game of Thrones will premiere in April. The network made this exciting announcement at the conclusion of the first teaser for Season 8, which we've included here and which will leave you crying. Or cheering. Or very possibly both. The preview does not include any new footage from the concluding set of episodes, but it does take us way back in time. We see Ned Stark. We get a look at King Joffrey. We even watch as Hodor takes his tragic final breath. In general, this video sets the stage for the final season, including with it an endless array of past season highlighting centered around various characters and what they done in their quest for survival and power. Reads words on the screen in between a number of bloody and emotional scenes from years gone by, every battle, every betrayal, every alliance, every risk, every sacrifice, every oath, every death is all. #for the throne. It looks like this hashtag will be the one used by HBO in the weeks and months leading up to Season 8. As for when the show will actually return, we're gonna take a guess here. A third season of True Detective premieres on Sunday, January 13th. If we assume it is comprised of 12 episodes, and if we assume Game of Thrones premiere on the Sunday immediately following the season finale, this would mean Season 8 will kick off on Sunday, April 7. We actually think that's a pretty safe guess. While you wonder how the heck you'll ever make it that long, go ahead and get more excited than ever before via the teaser featured here.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.